Think you've got what it takes to bake the perfect chocolate cupcake? Well, let's see how you measure up against some common cupcake fails. Hey there, it's today's special day, and today we're celebrating National Chocolate Cupcake Day. And what better way to celebrate than with a fun, messy, and delicious cupcake challenge? But here's the twist. Making a cupcake isn't as easy as it looks. Will your cupcakes rise to the occasion? Or will they turn out flatter than a pancake? We've all been there. Forgot the baking powder, overmixed the batter, or maybe even pulled them out of the oven too soon. But hey, that's part of the fun, right? Baking is all about experimenting, learning, and of course, tasting the rewards. So today's challenge is simple. Bake your best batch of chocolate cupcakes and show us your creations, fails and all. Will they be beautifully frosted masterpieces? Or will they look like, well, this? No matter how they turn out, we know one thing for sure, they'll taste amazing. After all, it's chocolate. So grab your aprons, preheat those ovens, and let the cupcake madness begin. How are your chocolate cupcake skills? Let us know how it goes in the comments below, and don't forget to share your baking adventures with us. After all, what's the fun in baking if you can't share your cupcake fails along with your successes? Happy National Chocolate Cupcake Day from today's special day. See you in the kitchen.